Hello friends, welcome back to my channel made by Yuma. In today's tutorial we are going to see how to make a crochet daisy flower. If you are a beginner, you can easily do this crochet daisy flower because it just takes 3 simple stitches: the chain, single crochet, double crochet and half double crochet. All you need is two different color yarns and the hook that matches the yarn. Here I am taking 2.5 mm crochet hook. So let's get started. Here I'm going to make an yellow and white daisy. So in the center part I'm going to make a magic circle, and here I am forming a knot in the magic circle. So you can check out my video on how to make a magic circle. I will provide the link in the description box. So after that we have to make 3 chain stitch, and then you have to make a double crochet here. So for double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull through, and yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and repeat that one more time. So this way you can create a double crochet. You can create 12 double crochets, that is 11 double crochet, and the first 3 chains are considered as one double crochet. So in total we have to make 12. So continue to do this double crochet. I'll meet you towards the end of this step, that is the first round. So I have done 12 double crochet here, including the first 3 chains. So I'm going to make a slip knot into the first 3 chains. Right, we have 3 chains, and that insert the hook into the third chain from the base. So meanwhile I'm shortening the magic circle by pulling the tail end. So insert into the third chain and create a slip knot here. So this forms the center part of the daisy. So just pull through the thread and you can introduce the second color into this loop. So here I am going to bring the tail end of the white color yarn, and you can pull the yellow yarn to secure it tightly, and from here start making the chain. So we have to make 7 chain here. This is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6 and chain 7. So skip the first chain and insert into the second chain, create a single crochet, and then into the next chain create a half double crochet. So you can check out my videos on basic stitch, which tells you how to make a half double crochet. And then into the next 3 chains create double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. So this is increasing the width of the petal. Second double crochet, and then this is the third double crochet. And then into the next chain, that is the last chain, create a half double crochet. So for half double crochet you have to yarn over,
pull through, and we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So that's it. This completes one petal of the daisy flower. So insert into the next available chain. You can see it here. So insert under the chain like both the loops and create a slip stitch. See, the petal is beautifully formed here. So I'm going to continue making the second petal. Again repeat the pattern. Create 7 chain 3, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6 and 7. So first is skip the first chain, insert into the second chain to create a single crochet, and into the next chain space create a half double crochet, and next chain space insert and create a double crochet, and continue doing double crochet into the next 2 chains. So we are done with double crochet. Then we have to create a half double crochet into the next chain space, which is the last chain space for this petal. So this creates the second petal, and find the next chain space on the yellow color thread and insert the hook, create a slip stitch. So you can see the petal is beautifully formed. So this is how we are going to repeat the pattern till we are done with 12 petals, and I'll see you at the end of the 12th petal. So friends, I'm done with 12 petals here. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So I'm gonna insert into the next chain space on the yellow color, that is the last chain space here, and create a slip stitch. And in order to make a knot, I'm gonna insert the hook into the next petal, the base of the next petal, and create a slip stitch. So you can just pull the yarn up to 2 inches longer and then cut the end. So now the next part is to sew the ends, the loose ends at the back side of the flower. You can cut the yellow yarn. So start to sew the loose ends. You can first tie the knot with the magic circles end, and then you can trim off the excess thread. Then using a needle or the crochet hook, you can sew the loose ends at the back. As you can see here, you can do it for 4 to 5 times and then trim off the end. So this is how we usually do the sewing part with any crochet pattern. So if you are a beginner, you can try using the needle and crochet yarn. So I'm done with working at the back side of the flower. So this is the completed look of the daisy flower. So you can straighten up the petal by just pressing it with your fingers, or alternatively you can just do a ironing over this flower with a very mild heat, and then the flower will be all set, it'll be like flattened. So this is simple and easy video. Here there are a few other colors which I tried with this pattern, which is pink and yellow color, and I hope you like this video and you find this tutorial a useful one. So I'm arranging the flower with leaves. If you are interested in crocheting this leaf pattern, you can also check out my other videos on this leaf tutorial. I will provide the link in the description box for those as well. So if you really make this pattern, do share it with your friends and please tag me. Thank you.